How to install and set up the Suwatte app on iOS. As you all know that Suwatte app is not listed on the App Store or is not available on the App Store. So we're gonna have to use the Suwatte app through the test flight. What we're gonna do is launch the App Store and we're gonna search here test flight. This application lets you test the beta apps before they are even launched to the App Store. So now once you have installed this application, go back to home screen, launch the Safari, and just do a Google search for Suwatte test flight. Once you do that, click on the first link here from Apple, join the Suwatte beta test flight. Once you do that, it will automatically prompt you to install the Suwatte. Tap on install. Once it's been installed, tap on open. Allow the notifications. Now we have got 5 tabs here at the bottom. Also you have got one option at the top right side. This lets you see the compact mode, manage section and manage collections. On the first tab, that is library, it contains the library of the contents that we have explored. We can even import the local source, and here are lists, downloads, collections, etc. Now the only first thing that you need after the installation of this app is that go to browse tab here. Now we can install the extension repos, or we can simply call lists inside this app. Tap on this container icon at the top right side and tap on list. We don't have any lists right now. You can either tap on plus here and manually add the list, that is by adding the URL, and then submit, and the list or the extension repos will be added. It's very much encouraged to use your own source or extension repos here, but if you don't have your own source, tap on cancel, close. I'm gonna show you an easy method how you can install the extension repos here. Go back, launch Safari, and you're just gonna do a Google search for Suwatte Otaku extensions and click on the first link here from Otaku iOS app extensions repos. Scroll down until you see the Suwatte option here. We have got Suwatte option. If you zoom in here, you have the extension repository's name and auto option. Now when you add the extension repos, make sure that you trust the source. I'm gonna install this one here, Gisno. That is, you just gonna tap on this install button and tap on open in Suwatte. It will automatically add the runner list, that is extension repos. If you tap on the container icon here at the top right side, go to list, you can see one extension repo has been added. Similarly, let's add the second one. Tap on install, open, and it's been added. Once you have installed the 2 repos here, tap on any repo and it will list all the extensions here. You can install any one. Go to second repos and install from here also. Go back and we have all the sources here. You can go to sources and explore the contents or browse here. Apart from this, you can even search your source or extension by using the search button here. And we have this pip tab at the bottom. It lets you customize the app settings. We have the opening tab setting, library navigation, library data, reader mode, reader settings, etc. You can do all the customizations for this app here. And we have also got the history tab here and notifications, that is update feed. So in brief, I have covered all the topics or things that you need in order to use this app properly. So that's the Suwatte iOS guide for you. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.